Hey, what's up guys, it's Mike Nardi here. So today we're reviewing another Fiverr seller. So if you're new to this channel, these videos are intended to provide tips, advice, and feedback on the Fiverr profiles and gigs of other Fiverr sellers. So I look at the gigs, I look at their profile, I look at their thumbnail, their descriptions, and I give some advice based on what I think might work well for them. So today we're looking at someone who offers guitar services. So he's a musician. He offers services where he'll play or produce riffs, chords, or snippets for people to use however they might like. So I'm about to get into the screen share portion of this video. Before I do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment or shoot me an email if you'd like me to review your Fiverr profile as well. So let's get right into it.
All right, so today we got a kind of a different type of seller that I haven't reviewed yet on this channel, but we got Dave Go_EL. He is a guitarist, so really excited to see what he's got and review his profile and gig. So starting up here, nice photo. You're a guitarist, kind of artsy. Would have been cool to maybe have you with a guitar in the photo. I don't know, it's just my 2 cents, but overall looks pretty nice. He's a session guitarist. Okay. 4.9 over 9 reviews, so he's already started selling. He's from India. He's been a member since April. Average response time is an hour, super fast, and he recently delivered an order, so pretty cool to see he's getting some orders already. All right, so description time. I'm a guitar video editor and YouTuber. Wow. So recently I just got accepted into Berklee College of Music. I have a band and we have played at countless gigs. I recently recorded my first single, which is available on my YouTube channel. 2 years ago, I achieved a certificate from completing Trinity Rock and Pop Grade 5. I can compose chord progressions, guitar solos, and riffs. I can fill guitar parts in songs and can also create instrumentals. My genres of expertise include rock, metal, and pop. All right. So this guy seems like a legend. He, I don't know much about Berklee College of Music, but it sounds pretty fancy. Good that you included that in here. And just based on this thing, it sounds like you're a really cool guy to work with. I love rock music, and if I was looking for, someone to make a riff for me, this description does a good job letting me know that you can probably do that. So moving down, you're fluent in English, electric guitarist, music composition, audio mixing, music production, musician, songwriters. Cool. Trinity Rock and Pop Grade 5. I don't know what this is, but it sounds like a music certification. So good job. So overall, looks like all of your thumbnails are videos of you jamming out. I think that's cool. I am an advocate, and I think it's helpful to have thumbnails that have some text just to be descriptive of what you do, because people can play your stuff, but it would be cool, if someone's interested in playing your stuff, they're probably going to click into your gig. So maybe using a picture like this and putting just some text to say what you do for those people who are lazy and just, shop based on thumbnails. That's just my 2 cents. I try to maximize how much marketing you're getting out of the limited real estate you have to work with on Fiverr. So that's my 2 cents. So the gig we're reviewing today, just before I get into it, is this one here. I will play sick rock for your song. Okay, so let's jump into it. So I will play sick guitar for your song. So I think it's a hilarious title. It's like, yeah, I'll play sick guitar for your song. But I don't think that many people search for sick guitar for your song. Maybe you could put, I will play awesome guitar riffs, or I will play professional guitar riffs for your song, something like that. I don't know if sick guitar is that searchable. So I will play guitar riffs, I will play guitar music, I will play guitar songs, I will play amazing guitar, stuff like that I think is more common, but sick is very niche. Like, I used to say sick when I was younger. I don't know if that's what the kids nowadays are saying. I don't even know, I don't know if people search for this in Google. I would rethink the subject line. I think it's awesome and funny as is, but I would try to, maybe pick some keywords or keyword phrases that you think people would actually be searching for in Fiverr search when looking for guitar players like yourself. So you got a profile piece here. Let's listen to this first one and see how sick you actually are. Let's hear it. So this guy's first portfolio piece is him absolutely shredding on what looks like a Squier Telecaster. I used to have the Squier Stratocaster, so dude, you are awesome, man. I'm gonna watch another one. You're fantastic. Is this one gonna play?
But now this is the end of the chapter.
Cool. I guess that's the song you recorded. Oh, this is what I want to see.
Been underestimated for a long time. Been waiting my turn on this phone line. This ain't no love.
Okay.
Meet me outside and let's slide. Space be a best ride.
Okay, let me stop this for a sec. Dude, amazing portfolio. You can absolutely shred on the guitar. So you don't change anything there. You're showing people that you are amazing. So yeah, you're awesome. That's awesome. All right, so just gonna quickly read your gig description. Sorry, I got so distracted by these awesome clips of you playing that, you know. Anyways, so about this gig, are you looking for a professional guitar player to play a solo for your song, or do you want some sick chords, riffs, and harmonies? You are in the right place. I'm a session guitarist, and I can record guitar riffs, solos, chords, harmonies, etc. for a minimum low price of $15. My genres of expertise are blues, rock, metal, and pop. My influences are David Gilmour / Gary Moore, and Jimi Hendrix. Nice. I have been in the field for 8 years now. I record my tracks on Logic Pro X. I have a Telecaster and Kramer Striker SC211. I offer up to 2 revisions. Feel free to ask any questions. Honestly, great description. For people who might have hired guitarists in the past, you list the gear you're using. You're using a Telecaster, your amp, all that stuff, how many revisions you offer. You list your expertise, your influences, so people get a feel for the style, the feeling of your music, and then how much it costs and kind of the specifics of what you can do, riffs, solos, chords, harmonies, whatever. So I think this is a good description. I think these are awesome portfolio pieces. This is the only thing I would change. I will play sick guitar for your song. Sick guitar isn't, in my opinion, Fiverr search friendly or SEO friendly. Take some time to think about how you could make that gig title align better with what people might be looking for in Fiverr search. Otherwise, you seem like a kick-ass musician, excuse my language, who's going to do awesome work for whoever hires you. So thanks for submitting this. Thanks for the awesome music, and I wish you luck selling your services, man.
All right, so that's all I have for you today. Overall, solid profile. I really hope that these tips were helpful. And if they were, leave a comment. If I missed something or you'd like me to cover different aspects of Fiverr in some of these future review videos, also leave a comment or shoot me an email. I'll do my best to include what it is you're after in a future video. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, cheers.